Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can modify the Google Gemini generated responses. So here I've already on the the Google Gemini, and let's say I'm asking Gemini to write me something. Here, for example, write me a short essay about for example Indonesia. Okay, now you can hit on enter and just wait for the generated responses. Here, this is the response from the Google Gemini about what I asked them, what the prompt. And if you want to modify the result, for example, you kind of don't like with this current results right here, you can click on this button at the bottom of the response. There will be this option, modify respond, and in here you can see a few options. If you want to make it shorter, you can click on this, or if you want to make it longer, simpler, more casual, or more professional. So here I'm going to try to make it more casual. You can click on that and the Google Gemini will generating the results again. So it will generate based on the modifications that I selected before. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.